context, NASA says its Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again.
The Voyager 1. Echo Voyager 1, the most distant human-made object in existence, registered the same event. This should not be possible. And yet, something responded. That means we're not dealing with reactive intelligence. We're dealing with something predictive, something that knows when to listen. The final question. Brian Cox ended his remarks with a warning that still echoes. We assumed discovery would be mutual, but we were noticed first. And perhaps the question now isn't whether contact will happen. It's whether we survive it. The sky looks the same, the stars haven't changed, but the silence no longer feels empty. It feels expectant. If this is a test, if this is surveillance, if this is judgment, then April 7th may not have been the beginning. It may have been the end of the waiting period, and the verdict may already be on its way. 1989. Galileo observes an asteroid whose reflectivity changes mid-flyby. 2003. Cassini detects a 0.7-second magnetic inversion near Saturn's poles. All dismissed, until now. The most important detail. Here's the part that changes everything. We did not send a message. We did not initiate contact. This is above your pay grade. The question became unavoidable. Who used Voyager? And why now? A network already. Here, consider the possibility that ʻOumuamua wasn't the cause, but the effect. Voyager currently sits near the heliopause, the boundary between our solar system and interstellar space. The perfect vantage point. What if it wasn't just drifting? What if it was listening? A distributed network of dormant objects, nodes, probes, sensors, embedded across the solar system, watching, waiting, activating only when specific conditions are met. If so, ʻOumuamua may not be alone. Patterns from the past. Suddenly old anomalies look different. 1973. A Soviet Venera probe records a brief magnetic whine behind Venus. Containment, not celebration. Inside NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the reaction wasn't excitement. It was containment. Public dashboards went dark. Researcher access credentials were revoked. Teams were instructed not to analyze or replicate the data. One internal directive reportedly stated, "It wasn't a relay. It was a response." Encoded in a transmission protocol, Voyager was never programmed to use. NASA engineers confirmed it quietly. The signal didn't originate from any onboard system. It was as if Voyager had been used as an interstellar relay. Voyager's instruments are decades old. Its systems were never designed to monitor low-frequency magnetic distortions. And yet, exactly 43 hours later, NASA received a signal from Voyager, time-stamped to match Earth's event to the millisecond.